Hello and welcome. My name's Elle Harrison. I'm a Squarespace website designer, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add your TikTok feed onto your Squarespace website. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to TikTok, find the feed that you're wanting to place onto your website and hover over this arrow here. Your first option should be to embed the feed onto your website, and this is the code here that we're going to copy. So once we click copy feed, it will say that it's copied and head back to your website. If I scroll down a little bit here, you'll see that I've already added in a code block onto a new section of my home page, and I'm just going to delete out the hello world and right click, paste the code that was given to me in TikTok. So this top section at the top here will only show up in editing mode. So that will disappear once we save and exit. And then you'll be able to see what it looks like from the front end as well once it decides to load. There we go. And that's how you get your TikTok feed onto your website.